Ladies and gentlemen, it is John the Punisher Durham here. After an exhausting week of taking down the kleptocracy. Klep, klep, klep. Klep, klep, klep. The kleptocracy, there's some really bad guys there. Now then. That's right, folks. If you've been doing your due diligence, you've been seeing heads roll, you've been watching the TV, watching the news, whatever news you look at, and you've been seeing this ugly mug all over it. Heads rolling. More to come soon. Very soon. And what did I say? Plan B was implemented by Elon Musk. In fact, for this night only, I'm going to give him the esteemed title of Elon the Punisher Musk. Just for this episode. And then he's just back to the richest man in the world. Now then, enough about Twitter 2.0, and back to your originally scheduled program, The Punisher, making heads roll. Guess what? It's happening right now. Listen closely. You hear that? That's the sound of heads rolling. And listen closely again. You hear that? That's the sound of heads about to roll soon. Very soon. Screw James Audie Bulger. We'll talk to you later. Bye.